Here's a quick video on how to change out a throttle on a Jolly Dolly Power Plus motorized dolly. As you can see, this thumb throttle has broken off, so we're going to put a new one on here. You can buy these thumb throttles on Amazon, but if you get them from us, we've already done some crimping for you and included some extra items that's going to make the install a lot easier and make it where you don't have to do any wire splicing. One thing that's not included in the kit is a drill driver with a 5/16 nut setter. That'll make taking the back cover off a lot easier. If you don't have that, no worries. You can use a 5/16 socket and ratchet or open end wrench.